2010 Ford F-250 V10 King Ranch beast of a truck right there, lifted. Makes it really bad for us because, you know, we had to go under like that. Anyway, still got stock converters there and there. Then it's got 3-inch pipe. Then we added a 3-inch to 2.5 Y pipe. And then 2.5-inch tailpipes, mandrel bent, to 5-inch rolled tips there and there. That's how you dual them out, right there. Came out really nice, really pretty. Right there and right there. There it is out the back. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. Go ahead. Release the beast. Much better. That sound is again. Sound decibels, go ahead. About 100, it's probably louder than that, it's about 110. Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. I love that idle, that V10. Baby. F-250 V10. Get on it. When you go. Good Lord.
I love it, man. Appreciate it.
Anytime, bro. Take it easy. Still here.